Hi, in this topic we will see how do you install the Git. If you are on the Linux or the Mac, there are the possibilities that Git is already installed on your machine. But if you are on a Windows or even if you are on the Mac or Linux, you might need to do it manually. There are different ways to install the Git. One of the way I am going to tell you is nothing but this website. Go to the git-scm.com. All the links are already mentioned in the notebook. Go here, then click on the download for the Mac, download for the Mac or download for the Linux, Windows, and just keep the default settings. Be job cautiously. Just click next. It will open one wizard. Follow the wizard. Keep the things by default as it is. Keep the things by default as it is. If you want to change, you can change, but note it down somewhere what configuration you have changed. And complete the installation. Right? So I have given some steps over here, but I explain in very shortly. Just download it, double click on the installer and complete the installation. On the Windows, you might need to change the system's environment variable path, but nowadays it is not required, right? So it is recommended to select the use Git from the Windows command prompt. Remember that. So whenever you install on the Git, please select this. Otherwise it will install a separate terminal also, a Linux terminal, right? So whenever you download the Git from here, complete the installation step. This is one important thing for Windows only. Another important step is a first time configuration. No matter on which environment you are, environment means operating system, git config or let's make it a 9th step. I will take it here. This is the 9th step. So complete the installation, open the command prompt and just type config or git -- version. And if you see something like this, git version 2.392, which means that Git is installed on your machine. Git version 2.392, git -- version, Git is installed on your machine. Then the 9th step, you need to decide one username, right? Git space config -- global. A username you need to set over here, and user email you need to set over here. Now this step can be done after making account on the Git solution. Now see, can you see? I have provided my username to this github.com. Well, if you open GitHub, can you see you need to make a sign up. During the sign up, you need to provide the email like anirudha@gmail.com. Now it will say it is already occupied. Can you see email is invalid or already taken? But if you say something like this, continue, create a password, something like this. Okay, password is too short, 450. Continue, and can you see it will ask this username. So this username and this, remember that username is something different and email is something different. Whenever you register on any of the Git solution, you need to provide email and the username. Getting my point? Email and what? Username. And same things you need to provide, and the same things you need to provide in this git config. So here you can say just copy. I already have done that. And whatever username you have given, in this way, just hit the enter and this would be applied as a global setting inside Git. So this step is important. This step is very, very important. So you will install the Git SCM. There are a lot of other ways also for installing Git, but this way asks you to communicate via commands, and that's why I will choose this solution or this Git. Okay, and these two steps are important. Which steps? These two things. I have given you the demo as well. Please revise it and see once again. So that's what the Git installation is all about. If you get any queries, questions, please go in the comment box and ask me the questions. Thank you.